Hey guys, I realized I started my video right in the middle of things, didn't show all of the stuff I had to use. This is a Porter cable lithium, 20 volt lithium drill, and this is what I use to do the work that I'm showing you. Basically getting a 110 volt external connection, so if need be I can uh, I can attach a standard uh, grounded extension cord to it. I was going to use this, but I decided I didn't want it said specifically metal, so that's why I got the whole dozer here, and that's what I used to cut it. And that's really the beginning of it, the process of getting that that external attachment, so I can actually go run an extension cord from my, let's say, my cousin's house into my van and charge my batteries. All right, that's all I've got, and everything else to follow was the process of getting that done. Oh, there we go. Daylight. Cool. Alright, I might need to take a little file and file this off. Then I can insert my external power connection here. Cool. Now I am considering mounting my solar box. It's not really solar yet. Put the panels on there for that, but the power that contains my inverter, my fuse box, etc. The box I mean in here, and then just screwing it down to the floor far enough away from the floor for me to put the walls in. But I'm still considering that. So things are moving on. Okay, rather than risking cutting my my little adapter here off, I'm going to do a little filing to remove some of the more ragged edges here. Let's try a little bit of this one. Pretty good there. Alright, let me pull the back off here in a manner of speaking. How am I going to do this? And feed the power through. Alright, that's the beginning of my electrical infrastructure for the van. A lot more to go, but a start is a start. Alright, rather than screwing the small screws in, I'm going to try to use some VHB tape here. I'm just going to put it around here. And then I can always cut it or shave it off. later. Okay. Alright, I'm going to use that VHB tape for the time being, and then later I will actually go in and then drill the small holes and get some some screws I can actually tighten this up well with. But good little intermediate thing there. A little tacky, but I wish I could say I cared.